If when I was given opportunity to leave Nigeria, I said, no, I cannot leave Nigeria, it must be Nigeria. Keep writing JAMB because I want to go into medical life. If I've allowed that fear to grip me, I wouldn't have been where I am today. Welcome to 2021. I wish you all a happy, fabulous New Year to all my amazing subscribers. Hi lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ruth, final year nursing student currently living and studying in the Philippines, and you are welcome to Nurse Ruth Nook. To my old subscribers, thank you so much for always clicking in. If you are watching me, I want to thank God for your life. Thank God for my life, the glory of God. This is an opportunity for me to appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for always tuning in, for your amazing support. Let me start by asking, do you have a New Year resolution? Leave it down in the comment section. Let's discuss about your New Year resolution. Or are you among the clique, people like us that do not have New Year resolution? Let's talk about that. At this point, I want to discuss with my amazing subscribers, you watching me, 5 things you can do to have a happy 2021. Live a happy life. Live your life the way you want to live it, to the glory of God. Number 1 point is, for you to live a happy life, you have to give up criticism. A lot of people focus on criticizing others. You just look for negativity in others for you to be criticizing others. I guess you must have a perfect life, and which I know it's not possible. Try as much as possible in 2021 to give up criticism. Forget about negativity in others. Try as much as possible to see the good side of people, the positive side of people, instead of focusing on the negative aspect of life, aspect of people. Focusing on what you know, it's not going to give you joy, it's not going to give your neighbors joy. Please focus on the positive side of yourself, the positive side of your neighbor, positive side of people around you. Just try as much as possible to see the good in others rather than seeing the negative or their bad side. We know we are humans, we have blood in our veins. Sometimes you tend to see that, but if it is too much, like some persons, they live their life looking for faults in others. Some people can never see the good in others. They like criticizing people. Give up criticism. Give up seeing the negative aspect of people, and strive as much as possible to see the good parts, the positive side of your neighbor, of people around you, and the world will be a better place. Give up complaining. In this 2021, give up complaints about unnecessary things. If you are the type that complain that nag a lot, please give it up. It's going to ruin your own happiness and people around you. So for you to be happy, you have to give up complaints. Before you complain, you have to think, this thing you want to complain about, is it worth it? Is it worth the time? Is it worth your happiness? Is it worth the thing for you to talk about, to complain about? In this 2021, give up complaint. Number 3 is, you have to let go of blame, like apportioning blame to others. You blame people for anything that happens to you. You keep blaming and blaming. You do not see yourself as part of anything that is wrong around you. Though it's written in bold handwriting that they are part of that thing. No, they don't want to accept it. They like shifting blames to others. In this life, shit do happen. So when it happens, you accept it, learn from your mistake, then you forge ahead. There is a saying that experience is the best teacher. So there is no need for always shifting blame. Number 4 is, in this 2021, let go of every atom of jealousy in you. If you are the type that is always jealous, you are jealous of the progress of people, you are jealous of people around you, you just always want to be on top. You only want to be seen as the best in everything. One is doing better than you, you want to drag them down. Please let it go. There is a saying that jealousy is the first thought to witchcraft. So if you are among those that are always jealous, you don't want to celebrate with people around you, you are only jealous of them, please let it go in this 2021. For the sake of your BP, I want to speak to you like your nurse. For your own happiness, let go of every atom of jealousy in you. Let go of it in this 2021. There is no room for jealousy. If you have those celebrating around you, your neighbors, your friends, celebrate with them. And it shows one thing, that the blessing they are sharing, the blessing they are celebrating is very close to you. You will celebrate soon. There is no need for jealousy. Some people hide under the shield that, yes, I'm being determined, I'm being ambitious, have a drive for a better life. If it is that, you will not be into competition with your neighbors. You will not be angry that your neighbor just bought a car. You will not be angry that your neighbor just got promoted. You will not be angry that someone is making it here on White Street. The year is just starting, it's still very fresh. Pray to God if you have that spirit of jealousy, if you have that spirit that cannot stand people celebrating, that cannot stand you celebrating with others. You hear that one is making it in life, you feel furious, you want to be into competition with them, you want to drag them down, you want to be the one that is celebrated alone. My brother, my sister, please give up that spirit. If it is difficult, pray to God to help you let go the spirit of jealousy. The sky is so big for everyone to fly. Just the way you want to just get to it. If you are happy for me, I'm happy for you. The world will be a better place for all of us. It's 2021. Live and let live. Let joy, let love lead. As the final point, give up fear. Face your fear in this 2021. If you are afraid of changing environments, you are afraid of taking that bold step, you are afraid of leaving that toxic relationship, you are afraid of doing something that your mind has been telling you is good to do, if you are afraid of starting up that business in your mind, doing that thing that your mind keeps telling you, last year you thought about it, 2 years ago you thought about it, this is new year, you have to give it a try. Let go of fear. Let go of I cannot do it. You can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. So you tell yourself from today, as you are watching this video, tell yourself that you are going to give that a try. You are going to face your fear. Face your fear because nobody is going to do it for you. You cannot remain in one spot. Do not think that you cannot do it. You can do it. Try it. And that inner spirit in you, that tiny spirit that keeps telling you, give this a try. Give this a try. Listen to that inner voice in you that keep reminding and telling you to leave that environment to another environment. If when I was given opportunity to leave Nigeria, and I said, no, I cannot leave Nigeria, it must be Nigeria. Keep writing JAMB because I want to go into medical line and pursue me, hoping next year it will happen, next year it will happen. Or out of fear, I don't want to leave the environment of my loved ones. I don't want to miss them. If I've allowed that fear to grip me, I wouldn't have been where I am today. I wouldn't have been in my final year as a nurse, student nurse. Are you afraid to leave your environment? Are you afraid to leave your loved ones and move to somewhere else for greener pasture? Are you afraid to start up that business? You are afraid to meet someone for anything you know will add a plus to your career, to your life? As you are watching me today, I want you to stand up and give that a try. If the first person says no to you, meet the second person. If the second person says no, meet the third. Before you meet 1, 2, 3, fourth person, someone will give you a yes as an answer. So give that opportunity or that thing that has been coming into your mind, give it a try. If the environment you've been living for a very long time is not favorable for you, it is high time you leave that environment to a better place. If you have business in mind you want to start up, start with the little you have. You must not have millions before you start. This person have done this and he did not make it. She has done this, she did not make it. This person, you can't and can't. Tell yourself you are different. You are different from Mr. A or Mr. B that did that and did not succeed. You have the Spirit of Christ in you. Christ lives in you. So tell yourself that you are going to take that bold step this year and you will come out victorious. If you want to start a YouTube channel, start with that little phone you have. That was how I started, and I'm still managing it up till now. You will start with camera. Maybe your phone is not good enough for you to film. I have faced the challenge of camera, of lighting, of audio and all that, and I'm still trying to work on all those aspects to give you a better video. You look forward to seeing it step by step. I'll get there, but do not be discouraged. Start with that little phone you have if you want to start your own YouTube channel. If you want to do anything, start from somewhere. You must not start big. Those big YouTubers, for example, you are seeing, they did not just wake up to make it in life. They started the way you and I started. Today, I am 6 months on YouTube. To the glory of God, I'm still working on all those things I mentioned, the camera, the lighting, the audio. But I know I will get there someday. I will make better videos the ones you want to see, yes. But then get up and start from somewhere. Do not remain in one spot with excuses of I cannot do this, I don't have enough income, I don't have enough capital, I don't have this, I don't have that. You keep counting what you don't have, and the year time waits for no man. Get up and start from somewhere, and God will crown your efforts with success. That brings me to the last and final point. In this year 2021, you have to learn to trust God. Build your confidence in the Lord. He is the only one you can trust. Men may disappoint, women may disappoint, but God never disappoints. God can use anything to bless you. He can use any man, woman, anybody to bless you. Trust in God, hope in God, have confidence in yourself, and have confidence in God. Remind God of His promises for you. Remind God about your future, all His good plans for you, and He will perfect that for you. Never give up. Giving up is not an option in this 2021. Learn to trust God. Commit the desires of your heart into God's hand, and do not just do it and relax that God will do it. God is not going to come down to do it. Start from somewhere. So trust God, believe in yourself, have confidence in yourself. Tell yourself, I believe I can do it. God lives in me, and because He lives in you, you will come out victorious. And with that being said, guys, I've come to the end of today's video. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always watching my video. If you did enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up. You help my channel. Comments if you have suggestion of the kind of video you want to see next, or you want to be seen in this 2021. Please leave it down in comment section. I will attempt to read. If you are here to subscribe, please subscribe. Now like this we go the day. It is 2021 already. Not be like this we go the day. Also do it to subscribe to my channel, share to your friends, family, and all those good stuff. And I will see you in my next one. Until then, stay blessed and stay safe. Bye bye.
Oh, the past is everything.